Actually, ito si Edita Sabata, kaklase ko yan.
Diba? Oo.
Ni walang ka-showing na meron siyang gusto kay Antonio Abangan nun. Nung college kami ni Antonio sa Ateneo eh.
Oo, diba? Akala mo ba ikaw nililigawan?
Hindi, tahimik nga, hindi nga marunong manligaw eh. Huwag kang mag-alala, iba boyfriend ko nun. Ito. Ito ang unang tanong. Kailan kayo nagkaligawan? Hindi alam.
Sige.
Third year college.
Naligaw ka nun? Tahimik ka nun eh. Nasaan si Edita nun?
Sa UP.
Ang sinabi, nagkita lang sila sa bus, nagkaligawan na sila.
Nagkabalikan na, no?
Kasi yung bus nagkagaling sa Ateneo, tapos dumadaan sa UP.
Yun.
Ilan na anak niyo ngayon? Dalawa na. Babae at lalaki. 12 na yung babae, then 5 yung boy. Okay. And how's the love life now?
Of course, tinatanong ko ba yan? Going strong.
Very nice. Going strong. Let's give a clap to this couple. Mr. Antonio Abangan and Edita Abangan.
Pare and pare. Our prime mover here, Frederick Rubio. Sige. To the honor of presenting the award for our beloved friend Eric Rubio, Jocelyn.
Yes, I do. Actually,
a big hand for Frederick Rubio naman, mga kaibigan. This is somebody without which this isn't possible. Hindi, marami ka pa, pare.
and to think na every time na may mga celebration, may mga get-together, nandun palagi si Eric. So, I'm gonna read the plaque that Jenny and Angeli put together. And we would like to thank Jean too for bringing it here. So, on behalf of the expats, the plaque says, Manila Science High School, Science, Truth, and Country, Manila, 1963. Appreciation Award presented to Frederick A. Rubio for his pivotal role as a catalyst and leader to spearhead the 25th homecoming of Manila Science High School batch 1981, for providing the link amongst our batchmates both in the Philippines and abroad, for his tireless efforts to do his duty above and beyond everyone's expectations. For your Masai 1981 batchmates presented this 22nd of April 2006.
Wow, look at that. That's Eric. That's our friend Eric. Yun. Tingnan mo naman. Yan naman, isa pa yan. Ako mamaya na in private. Tsaka